कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नाम्ने गौरतिसे नमः। जय रूप सनातन भट्ट रघुनाथ श्री गोपाल भट्ट दास रघुनाथ एछाय गोसाई करी चरण बंदन जा हईते विघ्ननाश अभीष्ट पूरण। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि श्री गौर भक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। बोलो श्री गुरु जी महाराज की जय। गुरु परंपरा की जय। अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय। जय नित्य वैष्णव सुभाष स्वामी आविर्भाव तिथि महोत्सव की जय। जय नित्य वैष्णव सुभाष महोत्सव की जय। वृंदावन धाम की जय। धामवासी भक्तवृंद की जय। जय श्रीमती राधा रानी की जय। जय नवती धाम की जय। देवी समाधि मंदिर की जय। जय हरिनाम संकीर्तन की जय। सपरिकर महाप्रभु की जय। भक्त विघ्न विनाश शंकर नृसिंहदेव की जय। भक्तराज प्रहलाद महाराज की जय। जय क्षेत्रधाम की जय। जगन्नाथ बलदेव सुभद्रा सुदर्शन जीव की जय। सर्वविष्ट करता गिरिराज गोवर्धन जीव की जय। गौर प्रेमानंदे। Today's Gurudev disappears. I am one fallen soul, but very distant and far away to him. I don't know any Siddhanta, any things. Also, I have no love for him. But I am hearing he is near. Sadhana has two process. Tadhatma yavesh. Anyhow, anybody chanting mantra, remembering Brajdham, but he has no abesh, yet tadatma, then he is really not realizing. So I have no tadatma and abesh within Gurudev. But he is very kind. After Prabhupada Saraswati Thakur disappears, Param Gurudev, his separation with he is very sad and too much suffering. Like Raghunath Das Goswami saying, Girindram Asgarayati, Kundam Bagram Tundayati. Oh Giriraj Govardhan, now is big one Asgar snake, try to eating me, killing me. And this Radha Kunda, Sam Kunda, this is like his tiger mouth, tiger face. He is suffering. He is left in Jagannathpur Khetraman Dham after Mahaprabhu and Swarup Damodar disappears. After Vrindavan came and Rup Sanatan near is staying. After that disappears, then he cannot tolerate more. Mahaprabhu teaching, asking Raghupati Buddhaya, Dukkha Muddhe kon dukkha hai Gurutara. Then Raghupati Buddhaya saying, Krishna Bhakta Vira Vina dukkha nahi para. No relation, then no separation. Now is today his disappears, he is left in this world. He is gone, eternal world. Is any Manavishnu Seva for his Guru Varga's near. Prabhupada disappears after Param Gurudev separation with his left in Mayapur. and he is everywhere going. Where he is moving, he is anywhere God brother, God sister. They have love for Gurudev, they serving Gurudev. How much they has attachment within Gurudev. Like Acharya Ramanuj, he is Srinath Muni, Jamunacharya, living, he is within his God brothers, near his serving and staying. They have this love for Gurudev, this is his collective. And after that things is only proper, making nearby of Gurudev. This without affection, other things is mantra and Osadi not working. Now Gurudev disappears. Param Gurudev what is did? After came and he is all time praying. Amana Durmati Samsara Vitare Podiya Achinu Ami Tavani Jajan Kon Mahajane Pathaiya Dile Tumi. Now he is big separation. He is meeting first time with this Bhaktivedanta Narayan Goswami Maharaj. Then he is embracing him, meeting with him, and he is telling, oh, now I am feeling my Guru Maharaj is with me. My Guru Maharaj is very kind. He is sending his representative. He is waiting when coming. Narottamananda Prabhu telling, I am meeting with this one officer. And he is hearing your glories, he is very happy. After he came, that day he is sending, midnight is my Guru Maharaj, go, bringing him. He came, Param Gurudev not sleeping, waiting. And he came, he is offering pranam, but Param Gurudev is embracing him and telling, oh, like Raghunath Das Goswami come little late in Nityananda Prabhu's near. Nityananda say, you are big thief. Now I am give you punishment, I am give you danda. So Gurudev is came. At a time, Param Gurudev is very pleased and happy. He is giving all responsibility. What responsibility? This Sigora Kurna Sakti. This Mahaprabhu Kurna Sakti, this is present where Guru Varga Suniya. He is then everything offering. Now I am free from everything. You now, this is distributing. You are Bhakta Bandhav. Anybody came, anyhow came, you helping everybody. Everybody has no understanding. How can meeting with him, Gurudev? Prabhupada Sastyaku time, Narari Siva Vigraha Prabhu, Paramananda Prabhu, Vinod Bihari Brahmachari, some rare persons, they are giving this affection and love, and they are, how can understanding? Prabhupada. Prabhupada saying, Vinod is mine. Same Vinod is now telling, this Guru Narayan is mine. Without Guru Narayan, Param Gurudev, feeling is too much separation. After Maharaj came and then first time too, he telling, this is my family, my everything. Then Param Gurudev again and again telling, you are Bhakta Bandhav, also my Bandhav, my parents. I am happy with you. He is asking anything Param Gurudev near, very politely, very quietly, very humble mood it is, keeping nearby seat. Like he's sitting lap and telling everything. All Shastra question and meanings and answer and everything. Shastra is many things. But how coming our near? How realization coming? Meaning as it is, understanding. Param Gurudev, how he is helping his all conditioned soul. Therefore, he is not giving responsibility only, giving all types of knowledge and adhikar. And after Param Gurudev, he is telling him, this Mahaprabhu's, this line, Unnata, this Ujjwal Rasa. He said many persons distributing many things. Like without oxygen, body has everything, but body is useless, not helpful. Soul cannot stay within this body. Need is oxygen. Also pure oxygen, then long life. Similar, you are now came, but not distributing, not giving, not cheating jivas, any other things with this. Any jivan is sweet, but the sweet is not enough. Need is food also. Food is not enough. Water and cloth also, medicine also, everything is needed. But everything is not proper helpful. Soul is not present and soul not getting is this. Any food, then body food not enough. Body for everything giving, soul for nothing giving. Soul is dry and running. Therefore, you now distributing everywhere this soul food. This is only Krishna Bhakti Rasa, Braja Rasa, Prema Bhakti. Without these things, you not giving, you not cheating anybody. Only this Bhakti Rasa giving. And now I am praying Prabhupada near and my other Guru Vargas near. You are serving Prabhupada Sasthakur or disciples, and you are with me. Anybody understanding how is I am serving Prabhupada? That quality is not coming you near, then you not bringing anybody's back in Guru Vargas near. These things is main and important things. Many persons serving, service for desire also, but they are conditioned with this service. Not selfishness. Also selfishness then laughful. Any jiva, he is forget and he is now distanced to Guru, Vaishnavas and God. This kindness with this, all jivas bringing Guru Vaishnava near, God near. But there is need is patience, tolerance, dharya, conditioned soul, very small living entity, but they have many conditions. They are arguing, they don't want to come, but they are suffering, burning. How can you bring in, cooling them, and making relation with his Guru Varga? This is real Guru Seva. Now, any godbrother, god sister doing something wrong, how can kicking, how can rejecting, how can throwing, smashing and putting in graveyard, burning, this is our philosophy now. Param Gurudev not teaching like. His first day, he is giving instruction. Prabhupada such a good time, he is only alone. After Swami Maharaj preaching, also he is alone. He is bringing many new persons, many world too. Who can helping them? Who can teaching them? Who can giving them love and affection? Therefore he is saying, Maharaj, I know you have this power. Only temple, center, food, lodge, this is not enough for anybody. Without this love and affection, nobody staying and coming nearby. No nearby, then no realizing, no understanding anything. Spiritual world, very difficult. Kurusya dhara nisya durutya durgam padastat kavayo vadanti. That way very sharp, like razor. There is very sharp. Going, how can going? Therefore, Param Gurudev saying, Mine anybody coming, they are realizing, really, Prabhupada line, Mahaprabhu's line is, here is present. Everything as it is, you giving. And these things without anything giving, this is not proper service. All are has no realization coming then. Realization coming, this Prema Bhakti Rasa, one drop also, anybody getting and drinking, and within Sadhu Sangha for that desire coming. Shastra say, Sadhu Sangha, Sarvashastri koi, Law Matra, Sadhu Sangha, Sarvasiddhi hoy, Tulayam, Lovenamapi, no Sargam, no Purarbhavam. Bhagavad Sangi Sangasya, Puna Kim Dasisya. Sadhu everywhere, but why not desire for going sadhus near and getting something sadhus near to? No respecting, no faith coming. Why not? Asasanga for very good desire. All time able. Then no sleeping, no eating, walking, no problem. Asasanga for. Come at night, beach, movies and play program. But sadhusanga for no desire. So you now giving everybody this Krishna Bhakti Bhavita Moti Rasa. This Bhavita Moti Vibhavit Chitta, how will be? Then they are coming sadhus near. And very near, very close, Guru Varga. But Jiva has no identity. And they don't know this is helpful and special things. No Sukriti they have. Then, how coming? Therefore, Param Gurudev is telling, you are friends suppose. Anybody coming, everybody is you, making close to friendship with them. And bringing nearby Guru and Gauranga. Swami Maharaj, same thing telling. After preaching Western country, everywhere, world, he is bringing. And then telling Maharaj, you take care of them. This is your near I am offering. Diksha is not everything. Parents are giving birth in children, this is not everything. No Siksha, no line, no spiritual philosophy, has no knowledge. Then anything doing is wrong. They making offense. They neglecting pure line. They are going far away. And they are Sojya, Kormi, Jogi, Smarta, any other which is the meeting. They don't understand this is not bhakti. Only name and fame, popularity, not everything. They are then lost everything. Maharaj, you protecting them. The Param Gurudev, first day to say, Bhakta Bandhav, Gurunarayan. Any Prabhupada Sashaku disciples come, he is serving more than like his God and Guru. They are feeling and they are giving a lot of bliss. Really. Keshav Maharaj has very powerful one Sevak. There has how much capacity and power. They are, everybody's heart is conquered and win. Before Vinod Bihari Brahmachari in Mayapur, everybody is controlling, bringing Prabhupada near. Now this is his Sevak. Now everywhere everybody is catching and attracting, bringing and giving Guru Bhakti, Vaishnava Bhakti, Hari Bhakti. Bhajan for desire is increasing. How? Developing how? Without satsanga, bina satsanga na pavahi prani, bina satsanga viveka na hoye. So Maharaj, first time to his get birth, that time to sadhu sangha. His house every day sankirtanam, morning, evening, morning Ganga, bathing, archan, puja, evening kirtan. Many sadhus are without invitation come. After his hearing Tulsi Gita Ramayana, he is saying, there I am reading, oh, Hanuman is great sadhu, great bhakta, Ram like him. And he say, how? I will be also close and near and dearest this Lord Ram. But he is hearing without Hanuman mercy, Tulsidas, not getting his bhakti. He is all time giving this example. चित्रकूट के घाट पर वही संतन के भीड़, तुलसीदास चंदन घिसे तिलक ले तो रघुबीर. Tulsidas has desire in Kali Yuga. How can I meeting with Ram? Then one day, one sky sound is hearing. Oh, Hanuman, mercy, then Ram is available. Say, Hanuman is where? How can I meet with him? He say, in your Ram Katha, there is, Hanuman is fast going, last is coming back. He is all Bhakta, hearing Harikatha, after that place is going and taking this Viddas, all Bhaktas, devotees smearing and offering respect, the Ram Katha running everywhere, I am hearing Ram glories. Yes, laugh for this Katha. So this Harikatha for anybody has laugh, but not Harikatha. Without God, without Guru Vaishnavas, any other own choice and desire and speculation, not Harikatha. Now, Tulsidas is, how can I understand it? See one man, leprosy, old, Brahmin, like sitting his back, who catching him. So Gurudev saying, Tulsidas waiting, looking, shaking and catching and holding. So sadhu, everybody not can understand it. Gurudev say, after Brahmin say, hey, why you catch me? I am leprosy, don't touch me. He said, no problem. I know who are you. How you know? Oh, you have love for Harikatha, Ram Katha. Anybody has respect and love for Ram Katha, Harikatha, Krishna Katha, then really near and dearest, close to God. That glory is hearing for they have very sweet desire. To Guru's mercy, God mercy, Vaishnava's mercy, how understanding? Harikatha ruchinole pando sei sram. No utpade jagati sramahi ebahi kevalam. Bhagavad is saying. Without Harikatha, anything, this is useless. Harikatha was taste and do, then everything is useful. Now, Tulsidas holding then they say, yes, in Mandakini, flowing is Chitraku. Chaitra Purnima. There is, Ram is coming every year. He is promised. He is bathing Mandakini and with his going back. Okay? Then you, how can you understanding? So you are making tilak without seva. How can you making relation? Making chandan, giving everybody's Ram coming, also giving Ram, Lakshman. That year, his morning to evening, serving, tilak giving, chandan giving. But after he is meeting with Hanuman, say Ram not come, Ram not accepting me, Ram not giving me place. So many persons doubt. Gurudev is gone, God is gone. Where are they? They not come, but Hanuman for no problem. Hanuman has transcendental eyes. He is watching. His Ram order is followers. Ram says stay here, okay, I am staying here. You do this, yes. And here Ram Katha, Ram Kirtan, he is running, going there. He not thinking, this is they are inviting, no inviting. Calling, not calling. They like, yeah, no like. He like, he is going. Now, this, say yes, next year, you wait, then Ram coming, I am telling you. Next year, same day, Mandakini, Bangkok, bathing and giving Chandan Tilak. Now, he is what feeling? Oh, giving Tilak. Then he is remembering, Hanuman, please, you tell him, who is Ram? I can understand. So who is Bhakta? Who is Gurudev? How is helping? What is coming? What is doing? But all are no eyes, and then how can I understand it? Without his protection, without his mercy, without his place, without his this program, impossible. Anybody cannot maintain own family, own self also. In mind to protecting, impossible protection. Now, distance Hanuman say, hey, how telling Tulsidas? Ye this Ram? No, telling. What saying? Chitrakuti ghat par, Vaishantan ke bid. Are Chitrakud Mandakini, Bangkok, stairs, many sadhus there. Tulsidas, Chandan kisi. Tulsidas now smearing his Chandan, smash. And Tilak le to Raghubir. Now, giving Tilak, he is looking down and giving Tilak. Hey, Raghubir. Then he says, yes, Raghubir, holding. So why I am telling, Gurudev saying this program and story many times. And why? How can you meeting with this Gurudev and God? Gurudev eternal, God eternal. Need is Sadhu Sangha. Sadhu Sangha, Nam Kirtan, Sadhu Sangha, Bhagavad Shravan, Sadhu Sangha, Mathura Vas, Sadhu Sangha, Simurti, Shraddha Sevan. Anybody serving, then they understanding. Within Sadhu Sangha, then understanding. Nam Kirtan, within Sadhu Sangha, then understanding. 5 way to understanding. This Brajamandal staying, then within Sadhu Sangha, they understanding. Where is Gurudev? Sadhus are not distance to Guru and God. They are all time with them. They are without their service, they can do anything proper independently. Without their instruction, they cannot do it. Somebody now asking, many persons question, why left this Gurudev or temple and ashram? Why distance? Param Gurudev gave me answer. He said, anywhere to I am proper serving Gurudev, Prabhupada, there I am going. Prabhupada, anything he like I am doing. I am not fighting with this modern king's for. Prabhupada departure before, he not giving anything to anybody. No temple, no any place, no seat, nothing. Like Gurudev, he living time, he not giving anything to anybody. He is saying everything is Gurudev and God property. Who I am giving? In this world, everything I am not bringing, I am not taking. Everything is proper will be. Anybody as God has love and desire, then they are serving. So unqualified, fallen soul, there is everything to distance. Why they have no qualities? Then how can they serve Him? But Gurudev is very kind. No disturbing, no anybody insulting, no abusing, hating, only crying and weeping, and very far away too, and realizing I am really fallen. No proud, no false ego, and no any competition. Then, one is only hope. He is fallen soul also, he cannot reject it, he cannot hate it. He is definitely one day purifying and giving a shelter. Lotus feet is giving shelter. And he is giving this services. He is accepting. This is hope. So our this Gaudiya line, only Gurudev, he is this Bhagavad Parampara, he is caring. He is this Unnat Ujjwal Rasa, this Mahaprabhu desire, Chakravarti Thakur, Param Gurudev, Prabhupada desire, he is bringing and he is distributing. These things and this line properly, anybody try to follow, then they are never lost his Gurudev. And not following, bad luck, bad fortune, then is lost. Otherwise, they are not lost in Gurudev. Guru Mantra, he is explaining. He is saying, hey, chanting Guru Mantra, yes. Then how? Krishnanandaya Dhimahi? Say no, Shivanandaya Dhimahi. Radharani is serving Krishna. Then Krishnanandaya Dhimahi. Gurudev is serving Krishna. Then Krishnanandaya Dhimahi. But without seva, then no Ananda. So this seva hi parama dharma. Without service, the relation is not strong, not sweet. Brahmadevji are not doing tapa japa yoga, no brata, no aradhana, only service to service, service to service. His happiness for all time, they serve him. Now, this Shiva Vritti, who is giving? Where from coming? Who giving? And no relation, then lost. So this Shiva Vritti, this is important things. He is came in his temple, then Navadvip Parikrama, Devananda Gaudiya Math, that time no room, only 3 rooms. One is deities, one Param Gurudev, one store room. Brahmacharya complete year under tree. Baby cooking pot, rainy season under pot. They are anyhow sitting. Temple has no tower, only small 3 room, clay which is mixed with is making. They are staying. But they have no any desire. anyhow maintaining, but they never left in sadhu sangha. So Gurudev came and then he is looking everybody. How is this position, brahmacharis, sannyasis? How are they following Guru Varga? Then he is starting this is program. He has first time to this program. I am serving Vaishnavas, Bhaktas, devotees. I am everybody. I am helping. Therefore he is starting this preaching center and program. He is calling everybody. Navadvip Dham, Brajamandapuri Dham, Khetar Dham, Parikrama. But how you know? He is specially, everything is running on good, but he is asking all devotees, mostly Western devotees for, hey, you have any problems? Any disturbance for prasadam? They giving a lot of chili and oil. Why you know? First time Swami Maharaj preaching in Western country. He is within Hansadut, Kirtananda, and this Bhavananda, many few persons came. Then there came in this temple, then Indian people, lot of chili, lot of oil giving. They cannot eating, burning. Then they complain Gurudev. Gurudev also never eating his chili. No oil. He is very simple, he is eating. Then he is too much giving strong order. But these Bengalis, face and mouth, they cannot change. Without oil and chili and they cannot feeling his oil. Then he is saying, okay, now I am preaching, I am going, I am arranging, but separate, not compromising. They not following. Sadhu's heart not understanding. Krishna not eating chili. He is eating butter and makhan. He is very soft. His heart is very soft. He is all time telling me, hey, come here. Early morning, after his Amni Gayatri, mostly Kartik month, every day. Hey, don't eat it, giving chili. Don't giving this oil. Otherwise, special for them, little cooking. But he say, you know, Krishna is how much sweet. Radharani, how is cooking? He says, I don't know, I have no relation. You are telling and teaching, then understanding. Then he is Mathura temple, coming his kitchen, standing, how cooking, what giving properly. He said, I am cooking my Guru Maharaj. Very tasteful. Otherwise you cannot touching and looking anything. All are like my cook. So I say, now you are not giving this your power, then how can I understand it? Then he is telling, okay, you coming, first is praying, Radharani is near, Gurudev is near, and offering pranam, and then going kitchen, and raw wood, but fire is coming. Anything is not you are cooking for your store, but all things automatically come. And you cooking, you not think I am cooking. Everything will be proper and very tasty. Then first time, 1978 too, many Westerners, there came is Mathura. After Swami Maharaj disappeared, Swami Maharaj giving order, instruction, Maharaj's purpose. Then many come morning, Harikatha. Then they taking breakfast. Then going Gurudev sometime within car and bus, Brajamandal, many places. That time, when you are going, you are offering bhoga. He is telling, oh, giving this breakfast for anything, cooking. But what is need? He need very tasteful and proper and sweet, and everybody will be happy and pleased. Otherwise, hotel and motel people all time eating. We say, hotel giving anything, menu, they cooking and giving in. Many center, business center, but that things not giving spiritual energy, not spiritual strength and spiritual life for progressing, for not helpful. So you now cooking anything for Gurudev, for God. Then everything will be proper and helpful. Now starting. After every day he's telling, oh, today this thing's cooking, you giving, I am going today Jabat, today Surya Kunda, today I am going Govardhan, Gatholi, today I am going Kamyaban. One thing's cooking. He like this pure ghee is puri, how? Complete will be black paper, thin. Also color is will be white. One day I am going within Bengal by train, then Boxer came. First Chittaranjan, after Boxer. Then Bhaktajar, his family is too. They are bringing some chapati, some sabji and dahi. He is showing how it look, this yoga. How is strong, very tasty. Chapati, white color, very thin. How is floppy. Two sides, both sides like both paper. And not hard. Also, how is this Loki sabji? Cooking with his milk. Color white, no black color. Now cooking anything black, then I am remembering Gurudev, how much is angry and abusing. Your heart is black, your mind is black, you are dirty, your cloth is dirty, you are cooking dirty. You never like. Everything is special. All time, only Srimati Radharani without, he don't know any other thing. His color fair, his desire fair, heart fair, his everything fair, everything will be neat and clean. Baba. His room is morning time cleaning, then he's calling. Look, come. Look, how is cleaning this room? Why are you telling them? Why not cleaning properly? We not sitting down? Now he's bogey? No. People no understanding this move. After, why? He like making relationship within all are in eternal Brajamandal, eternal world. This world to no more relation, no more connection. Now, this practice within Guru Varga, then is everything will be right, proper. Otherwise, not within Guru Varga, then all are lost. So now, offering this Yajna starting and offering Ahuti Pushpanjali, and after Bhaktajar devotees are all more coming afternoon time, then return and next Pushpanjali. Now best puja for Gurudev, my Guru Maharaj appears day. Therefore, only his preserves for no Maharaj is teaching. Oh, best puja he is doing, he is himself. All time my Guru Maharaj birthday is following. He is teaching self. So now is this best Panchak, Acharya Panchak, Guru Panchak, and this puja will be complete and Yajna. Then after afternoon time, offering this Pushpanjali and everything. Now time is like 10:30. Next program all are 11:32 sitting, and next Harikatha, Pushpanjali, glory and evening time also, and the programs. Gaur Pramanande.